Today, we'll be going over how to install the lock for your Subaru BRZ. To start, insert the license plate bracket on the center of the grille. Behind the grille, align the rear clamp plate holes with the threaded holes in the license plate bracket. Align the front clamp plate as shown, and thread a 1/4-inch screw into each hole. Make sure to not over-tighten the screws as it may damage the plastic grille. With the license plate installed on the license plate holder, align the lower mounting holes with the attachment bracket. Insert each of these bolts into the lower holes. After you have inserted a bolt through each hole in the license plate and the supplied backing, align the lower mounting holes to the attachment bracket. Insert each bolt into the lower holes and torque the nuts to 60 inch-pounds. After that, your installation is complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.